Hello friends. Teaching. What is teaching? Meaning and definition of teaching. Teaching is a two-way process through which there is exchange of thoughts between teachers and students. Method of teaching through syllabus or curriculum. Teachers provide knowledge and skill to students, and lastly evaluation. Students are able for not to give response of teacher's question or interact with him in a well manner. According to Edmund and Amidon, teaching is an interactive process primarily involving classroom talks which takes place between teacher and students and occurs during certain definable activities. According to B.O. Smith, teaching is a system of action intended to produce learning. According to Burton, teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning. Teacher, student, and curriculum are interrelated. Scope and nature of teaching. Teaching is a purposeful process. Main objective of teaching is to fix aim for student. That aim will be achieved by student with the help of teaching. Teaching as an interactive process. Teaching is fulfilled by teacher and student both. If any one of them is not present, then teaching is incomplete. They are interconnected or interlinked with each other. Exchange of thoughts and expression between them. For example, they both are two sides of a single coin. Nature of teaching is art and science both. In reality, teaching is both art and science. Few scholars support that teaching is art, and few scholars are in favor of teaching as a science. Nature of teaching is art. This can change with the passage of time, period, country, and condition. Its natures change according to scope of teaching. According to scholars, its book principles are and which cannot change with respect of time according to country and condition. That's why nature of teaching is both. Nature of teaching is science. Rules and principle cannot change with respect of time and condition. It's a science. Teaching as a process of development. Main objective is overall development of student. Nature of teaching is developmental, creative, and student oriented. Child centered teaching helps in around development and change in behavior. A successful teaching means three sides are developed: knowledge, emotions, creativity. Teaching as a social and commercial activity. Social, when teacher thought about environmental things, and is occupational, used by teacher during teaching. Develop his mental ability to survey or live in society. After completion, this his education to do survey of occupation and able to fulfill his needs. Teaching as a process of guidance. During ancient period, when books and printing press were not available, then notice and guidance were written on leaves of tree. But at present time there is no shortage of book and copies, and students get motivated through teachers, and they motivated encourage them according to their interest, aptitude, and need. They give guidance to them through which he can develop his skill. Teaching as a tripolar process. Various scholars assumed teaching as a tripolar process. Objective of teaching, learning of experience, behavior of teaching, change. According to Bloom, three aspects of teaching is a tripolar process. First, objectives of teaching. Second, learning of experience. Third, behavioral change. Language works as a medium in teaching. Language help in communication. Language help to understand concept, principles, rules, formulas. In teaching, language plays a vital role. Facts and concept, principle, rules, formulas and of teaching can be easily understood through language. At the time of teaching, language used by teachers is easily understandably recognizable by students as this language works as communication in teaching. Teaching helps human being to adjust in a society. Teaching helps human to live easily or adopt themselves according to society. This adjustment is possible only through teaching. Teaching highly help them to solve various problems must themselves according to situation. Teaching makes active, continuous development of child, development of skill, capability. Teacher always want that his student achieve very much good traits in life. Teacher motivates and guidance for students that how to score good marks evaluation in examination, gives suggestions about their merits and demerits and kindly aware about their knowledge about their limitation and makes students active physical and moral knowledge skill mental emotional and intellectual development of students. Objective of teaching. First, main objective of teaching is to overall development of student. Student get motivated to make any authentic decision of his own. Next, teaching stabilize coordination between internal and external experience of student. Next, remove weakness. Next, main objective of teaching is to encourage student. Next, develop behavior change and human behavior trait in student. Next, develop mental ability of student. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है दी टीचर सक्सीड इन ब्रिंगिंग द डिजायरेबल चेंज इन द बिहेवियर ऑफ स्टूडेंट थ्रू टीचिंग. टीचर डेवलप करियसली इन स्टूडेंट थ्रू टीचिंग. द टीचर वर्क टू क्योर द weakness of the student through teaching and give remedies for improvement. Teacher develop cognitive, emotional and creativity student through teaching. Teacher do overall development of student through teaching and prepare them for future. Need and importance of teaching. Teaching is a skillful process. It means it provides knowledge. Change in behavior and mentality is possible only through teaching. Teaching is a major process or source in success of present and future. Teaching help to develop curiosity for learning process in student. Teaching help to develop organ- organization capability and behavioral trait in student. Teaching help in all round development of student as well as prepare them for future life. Teaching help students to develop cognitive, emotional, emotion and creativity skill.